Hello friends! In this video I will talk about the first experiment with reinforcement learning. The neural network plays a game with glitches, which I will discuss in the end, and it works pretty well. I trained the neural network to play the MsPackman game using the Actor-critic model. The screen shows 4 games. The same network plays in them. The current frame of the game with the size of 210 by 160 is input to the network. I use the color frame without any resizing, and the output of the network is the Packman control signals. For example, up, down, left, right, and a combination of these movements. For taking information from the image, I use a convolutional neural network. Also, the learning algorithm receives rewards for each eaten brick. Initially, the network didn't know anything about this game, and step by step being rewarded, it was learning to play well to eat as many bricks as possible. It is believed that the game Packman is quite difficult for a neural network. However, as we see, it plays quite well. For training, it took 10 million time steps of the game. Also, for the net to understand the dynamics of monsters' movements and other objects' movements, I used LSTM. As I said, this game with glitches. Periodically, the monsters and the Packman itself disappear. They are not in the frame, but they still exist, move and kill Packman. This adds a lot of uncertainty to the game. Nevertheless, the neural network has learned to try to avoid such places and movements. The network also controls the missing Packman well. I checked that the frames where the monster disappeared are really being fed into the network. I don't know where and why these glitches came from, but I didn't specifically look for them and correct them. Sometimes Packman reaches the last level, which is colored in a different color, and doesn't know what to do until it receives frames in a different color. The network doesn't know what to do because the situation is rare, and it hasn't yet learned how to act in a different color game. To overcome this, possibly use further training. I understand that this is probably not the best result of solving this task, but I think the task in this embodiment is completed and it's time to do something new. And now try to follow specific Packman, see how it plays in the event of monster disappearance. And thank you for your attention.